What's going on, you guys? So I wanted to hop on here real quick before the video starts and announce I'm going to be doing the giveaway. I finally thought about the rules and what I want to give away and all that, so I'm going to be announcing that in just a second. So first off, the giveaway is going to be for $30. So I was originally going to give away a product or like a gift card or something. I feel like money is better because anybody can use it, and I can just PayPal you or Venmo you. So we're going to be doing that. So it'll be 30 bucks. To get into the rules before my phone dies, number one is going to be to subscribe to the new channel, obviously, and then comment down below on that video, on this video actually, what your Instagram username is. Next thing you're going to want to do is go into my Instagram and go to the giveaway post and tag one friend in the comments, and that's it, you'll be entered. So one last time, subscribe to the new YouTube channel is number one. Comment your Instagram username down below in the comments of this video for number two, and go to my last Instagram post, whichever one is a giveaway post, and tag one friend, and that'll be it, and you'll be entered for the $30 giveaway. And I'll be drawing the winner in 1 week, so whatever week is from whenever I post this video or the Instagram post, that's when I'll be drawing the winner. Crazy as it sounds, this is actually the most busy I've ever been. I don't know why, but it just happened to work out where now all of a sudden all my days are super packed, except for the weekend. So I'm probably gonna do all the filming on Fridays or Saturdays and try to post videos on Sundays. So I guess look forward to Sundays or maybe around then for the future. Real quick and hop on the highway, but before I get to the highway, I'll probably introduce sort of what my actual exhaust system is right now and just talk about how it is on the highway, how it is city driving. Then once I get to Broomfield, I'll get more in depth with the exhaust in terms of like sound clips and other stuff like that. But for now, we get gas, like I said, and then we will be in Broomfield in probably about a minute in the video, but like an hour for me, so here we go. All right, so getting right into what I actually am running for my exhaust right now. It's kind of a Frankenstein exhaust. I have 3 different brands on it currently, so it's kind of ridiculous, but actually it works. It's not too bad. It's pretty raspy. So I'm running an Invidia Catless Downpipe right now with a Turbo XS Catless Midpipe and a Spec D Muffler. So 3 different brands. I eventually want to go, I think, with the Invidia M1. So I just have all Invidia. But for now, this isn't too bad. It's stupid loud, but the Invidia would also be stupid loud. So I don't know. I just like the sound of the Invidia better compared to this. And it's probably because my muffler is really cheap. I really want to do more STI stuff under the hood just because I've already done a ton of exterior stuff. And I'm pretty happy with how it looks now, although I'm doing 2 new exterior mods, or I guess like cosmetic mods this weekend. So that's kind of a lie. But after that, I do want to focus more on the engine. Just get it to running some decent power. Share some of the highway driving because that is probably where the exhaust is the loudest and the turn is just insane. I'm gonna throw it in neutral real quick after I get a little speed. And you guys can get an idea of how much it drones. You're going about 65, just over 3K RPMs. And let me throw it in neutral now. Now you can actually hear me. I feel like I'm screaming now. Hopefully you can tell from that it actually drones when I'm driving the highway. Luckily I don't do a whole lot of highway driving when I go to Broomfield, probably about like once a month or so. Maybe a little bit more than that, so it's not too bad. Alright, so I'm back at Broomfield now. This road is ass. I'm gonna get some clips outside the car, not just clips inside the car like this. I'm gonna get someone to record me, and I'm gonna do a couple different videos. I've never actually heard my car from the outside. I might have somebody rev it, but I don't know about driving it. Alright, so it's pretty dark out now. It's about 9 p.m. So I'm gonna head to some secluded place. I don't know where yet, just some place that's not a neighborhood. So I can do some filming. I wanna do like a poll, so you guys can hear it when it's in boost, and also hear it just driving around from the outside of the car. It's actually not too cold outside, even though it looks like it should be, but I might just be used to the weather because I've lived here my whole life. So I'm gonna start the car as soon as I find the keys. Let's look at the cold start too, since this video is about the exhaust anyway, even though I do it in pretty much every video. both out on the top or both out on the bottom. All right, so real quick to explain what we're gonna be doing, because I think after I stop talking, I'm just gonna sort of piece all the clips together, and it'll be like the rest of the video for the most part. The car is definitely really raspy. I'll put up a couple of videos where you can really tell. You'll probably be able to tell in the videos that we do tonight too. I wish it was more rumbly, I guess. It still has a rumble, but it's definitely more on the raspy side, which you'll see in a second. So I've had the exhaust for like 2 years now, and I would say I've gotten completely used to it, but it still is really loud. I'm gonna hop in the car now. I've been talking a lot. The next clip should be just all the videos together, and doing all the exhaust clips and the pulls and just whatever else I put together. So we will jump to there now. I want to make this video for a while because I get asked a lot about my exhaust setup, so there you go. Hopefully those videos give you guys a good idea of what it sounds like. Before I finish the video, let me know in the comments what exhaust setups you guys have, because I'm actually curious on what else is out there, because I am actually interested in switching up my exhaust system pretty soon. I do want to keep the Invidia downpipe, but in terms of catbacks of the Turbo XS Catless Midpipe and the Spec D Muffler, I think I want to replace those at some point in the future. So let me know in the comments what you guys like, or what you have, or what you want to do in the future, so I can get an idea. And I just want to see what else is out there. So put that down in the comments, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more of the Forester and just other car stuff in general. But once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a week.